Alright, we got this misfiring 4-cylinder Camry today. We're going to do a dynamic, or also known as a running compression test. So we've got this car totally set to run except for cylinder number 1. We got the spark plug out, we got the ignition coil disconnected, we've got the fuel disabled for that cylinder. So we're going to take our hose for the regular compression tester that has the check valve in it, which you can see right there. We're going to go ahead and install that. Then when we get it installed, we're going to hook up our normal compression gauge. And we've already got some compression readings from our previous test, which was a normal compression test, a static compression test with the engine not running. Let's go ahead and hook that guy up. So from here, we got it all hooked up, it's zeroed. What we're going to do is he's going to start the car. We're going to watch how quickly the needle pumps up, and then it's going to stabilize when he idles. Then we're going to blip the throttle wide open for a couple seconds and see how much it increases. So Diego, go ahead and start it up. So it's kind of pump, pump, pump by the third pump. Wide open. Alright, kill it one time. Let's do that test one more time. Wait the throttle, blip it. Go ahead, start it. Alright, about another 3 pumps. Here we go, we're at, I'm going to call that about 80. Alright, wide open throttle. Pretty nice high numbers. We went 80 to about 225, I would say, holding it for a couple seconds. Those are good running compression numbers. Now we'd compare it to the other ones. You can go ahead and shut it down. And this wouldn't be a very common test. Your normal static compression or just cranking compression test is going to find pretty much anything you got, except for one exception. If you have a part, for example, on the cylinder head that's moving around when running, you might have good numbers on static and thinking everything is okay, but still have a misfire when it's running. A running compression test may actually show you or make the problem show up on the running compression test, whereas the static wouldn't. And in one example, there was a valve seat that was intermittently dropping in and out of the head, causing low compression. And when it caused low compression, it was misfire, but then it would smack back into the head and it wouldn't misfire, and it couldn't be found on a normal compression test. So the running compression test helped us nail that one down. So you would go ahead and do the same test for each cylinder and compare your numbers. They should all be roughly the same with all 4 or however many cylinders you have.